Today, let's discuss how to add a custom date and time fields on checkout page. Custom date and time field option lets you to control the appearance of the date-time fields in checkout page. This field can be used to get date and time input from user on various requirements. Within the checkout fields editor, locate the section Billing, Shipping, or Additional Fields where you'd like to add a custom field. For an example here, we use the interface to drag and drop a date field into your preferred order. After adding the date-time field, enter a custom label to display on the front end. After configuring the date and time field, such as setting label, placeholder, required status, or default value, click the Save button to apply the changes. This ensures the field is added to the checkout form. And, next, add a product to the cart and proceed to checkout. Locate the date and time field you just created. Enter a test date and time to ensure the field accepts input correctly and appears as expected. Now it's time for you to try out. Thank you and have a nice day.